Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. We are unboxing our Ipsy glam bag for the month of August. Super excited about this one. We are giving away one of the items in here to one of you. Don't even know which one yet. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel, watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of August, it is the Rick and Morty 30 shade palette from Glamlight. It is so colorful, so fun. Look in this description box down below under current giveaways. It'll take you to the video, talks about how to enter this one. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit the bell button, mark it to all, and if you are watching on your mobile device, go into your settings. I want you guys to know when I upload, definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because we do them a lot here, and you guys, we are so close to that 2,100 subscriber giveaway, and we'll do that once we hit that number. And I've set aside some good little goodies for you, so help us get there if you haven't already. As far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Glamlight Frosted Flakes palette. Kind of wanted to get ready for football. I'm a Boise State Bronco. Go blue and orange. Hence a blue and orange look today. Ipsy is $14 a month. It is a beauty subscription. There's makeup, there's skincare. Every once in a while there will be hair care. Most of it is sample sizes for that $14 a month. They do have their BoxyCharm by Ipsy, which is 5 full-size items, which is more expensive. This one is just the glam bag. So you get the 5 items. Every once in a while they will throw in a full-size in there. And you also get a cosmetics bag with that too. So let's find out what's in my bag. How cute is this? We are getting ready for school. Little green tab here. Does say Ipsy on it. Looks kind of like Letterman's jacket. It even feels like Letterman's jacket kind of material. On the inside is a yellow. Let's say here what Ipsy says about this. So Ipsy says, what better way to get into the Ipsy spirit than with a varsity-inspired glam bag design. August bag features faux leather containing colors and hand-sewn patches to create a part of an all-team vibe. Plus, it's packed with all the beauty MVPs you need to ace your routine. The first item in here is from e.l.f. Cosmetics. It's a Glow Reviver lip oil in pink quartz. Pretty sure I have this in another shade. Let's look and see what it says about it first really quick. So it does retail for $8. This is full size. The luscious lip oil packed with a punch of hydration and shine thanks to a moisture-rich blend of nourishing oils like apricot, avocado, jojoba, and pomegranate to keep lips soft, subtle, and smooth. Rosy tint enhances your natural lips, but we love it all over lipstick too. So mine that I have is in the shade Julian Livers. I probably said that totally wrong, but and this is in pink quartz. No, it can't be Julian. Like that's what it says on this side too. I don't even know. Mine's in a deeper red. Okay, and this one is the quartz one. So I mean, you could totally see a difference in the colors here. This one's kind of. This one here is deeper than this one. I know this light makes it kind of hard to tell, but there is a difference. I don't know if I back up more if you can see it, but these bright lights. So let's do a little swatch on the hand. I mean, they are pretty sheer. I will say that they do have a big fat foot with them. And look how fat that foot is. I mean, you could totally tell on this one's almost sheer. So you can kind of see, so I had the deeper one here. There's a deeper one that I had previously, and this is the one that we just got. So, and they're not very sticky. I do really like them. So here we have the Cara Moon Flower Melon Hydrating Serum. This is a deluxe mini. This lightweight oil-free serum is like a big gulp of water for your skin, helping to minimize redness and fine lines, and gives you that youthful bounce of your dreams. Packed with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, aloe leaf juice, and super hydrating fruit extracts. This serum is your secret weapon to help achieve smoother, plumper skin after just one go. Sounds pretty good. From Coors is Greek Yogurt Nourishing Probiotic Gel Cream. This is a deluxe mini. This light and airy gel cream packs a hydrating punch, quenching your thirsty skin. My skin is so thirsty right now because it's so dry out. With time-released moisture, while blended of probiotics and prebiotics help to balance our microbiome and soothe stressed out skin. Yes, please. MTU NYC Makeup Blending Sponge. This does retail for $6. I've tried these before. I really do like them. A super soft, latex-free sponge blends foundation, blush, highlighter, and more to an airbrush-like finish for a picture-perfect glow. These are really, really good. And I love how they're pointed at one end. Makes getting in here, and I love it. And from Rodial's Blush Drops in Frosted Pink, this is a deluxe mini. Baby Doll Cheeks coming right up. A silky serum like blush blends to a dream over foundation to give you the perfect pop of pink, all without disturbing your makeup. It's buildable and long-lasting, so you can layer on for highly intense color or keep it sheer for a low-key flush. See me looking down, my notes are on my phone. Here's what the packaging kind of looks like. Looks like that. And there's a little bit of it. And let's see if we can like blend that out for just like a little. That's really kind of pretty. You know what it kind of reminds me of? It's kind of the disqualified. A hell of a lot easier to use than the disqualified Dew Wet Balm. I know it's totally different packaging formula. That one's wet. This is kind of more of a cream. But the shimmer on the hands kind of reminds me. This one might be a little more, had a little more mauve to it. Yeah, it's got a little more mauve, but I mean, you kind of see there's the two right there side by side. I mean, they're pretty similar. So I thought the two favorite things in here were the e.l.f. lip oil and then the Rodial blush drops. What were your guys' favorite things? Let me know in the comments down below. Let's do giveaway that Cara Moon Flower Melon Super Hydrate Serum. Let's give this away to one of you guys. Secret word is school, because I feel like everybody's getting ready to, if they haven't already gone back to school, getting ready to go back to school. I know my Facebook page is full of my friends, kids that are going back to school. Secret word is school. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once, and make sure to put on it that secret word. Also, make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel. Now, what you do is you only fill out the form once, but you can mark on it for bonus entries if you did do the bonus entries. Only mark on it if you did actually do them, because I don't want to see you get disqualified. So your 4 ways are: number 1, if you follow me on Instagram, that handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you follow me on X, formerly Twitter, it's BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you follow me on TikTok, it's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. Your fourth way is if you share this with your family, friends on your social media accounts. If you do post those to your social media accounts, make sure to tag me. I absolutely love seeing those, and I absolutely love it when you share our channel. It's a way to help the channel grow, and I greatly, greatly appreciate it. Because once we hit that 2,100 subscribers, we're doing a big giveaway for that. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. And you must be 18 years old or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you. And make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Let's have this giveaway go through September 6th, Midnight Mountain Standard Time. And then on September 11th, what I will do is if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing on those Google Forms, I will take first initial of the last name off the forms, off the bonus entries, put those in the computer. The computer spins all the names around. The computer picks. I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell that information. I don't share that information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. So if you like the video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye. Woo!